What's cracking, lacking YouTube? It's a beautiful morning. This is the homie Jaguar.
What's up, guys?
And we're about to get his bumper. And what else we're gonna do? Put his gas.
Put gas.
And we're gonna have a cool little adventure, little cruise. And yeah, guys.
Yeah. Play some Pokemon maybe.
Pokemon Go, the new thing that's popping up in the world.
You guys play that?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure most of these people watching.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, guys. So comment below whoever has the highest level right now.
So what's your level right now?
Yeah.
What team?
Hey, so where we're going? Where's the place located at? So we didn't go get his bumper because he fucked up his. Yeah. But you know, shit happens. Shit happens. And yeah, that's what we're about to do, guys. Yeah, just hit traffic, guys.
Cali traffic for you guys.
That SoCal traffic.
The SoCal special.
Look at that here. Oh, traffic just like
all the way from
back to back, just like straight. Always getting packed. Huh, Jaggs?
Yeah, bro.
Damn, dope ass art right there. Hey guys. Dude, I think it's a citizen center. Oh shit, we can't be here. Oh, but look at this, guys. What I found. It's fucking dope.
We just went in for this.
Yeah, pretty much.
I don't even know how to get out, bro.
Here you what? Damn, dope.
Through the hood.
What's up, guys? So we saw that approach right there. It was dope. And right now we're just cruising around East LA, trying to see some good portraits, some good graffiti, and
cool view.
And this is dope right here. That itself is dope. And yeah, you guys, today's gonna be a chill cruising, seeing new places type of shit. I haven't been this side of the city yet. Maybe a half, we drove by only. So yeah, me and Jaguar are gonna go to just see some spots, some cool shots where we could take pictures, you know, have some video footage for you guys, and yeah. So join in with this. It could be an adventure.
Oh, Nike store?
Oh, what is Nike store here?
What, West Atlanta? West Egg?
East Los still.
East Los.
Whittier Boulevard.
Rentals. Whoa, Mango.
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Yep, just chill. What's up, guys? I guess this shit was recording already. God damn. And just got back home to the big Garden Grove. We might go eat to sushi. It's still a maybe, we don't know. We might hit up Ollie. And yeah, the day is still not over, guys. The day is still not over. So tune in for more.
The day is still young.
Yep. So yeah, guys, but take away his back bumper, his rear bumper. Hooked up his. Oh shit, we got it?
Yeah, I got it.
For sure. Got this.
Oh, finally. We're just a little stuck. Can you close for her?
Yeah.
You gonna be out here? Right?
Yeah, I'll be out here. For sure. Yo, just waiting on the homie to hit us back up so we can pick up something real quick, and then we canceled on sushi, so we might go to the taco place, which is bomb. Yeah, guys, so that's a quick update. You guys know the homie Ollie. Yeah, that's what we're waiting for.
Waiting for Ali right now.
To pick up something, and yeah. And from there, we're gonna go out and eat.
Dude, it's fucking beautiful.
Hell yeah, it's gorgeous right now, guys. It's nice, warm. It's a nice, no clouds and shit.
Sun's everywhere, no clouds.
No clouds, so the sun is out.
Birds.
The birds are tripping. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful summer day.
Oh yeah? Look at that man.
Hi, Daisy. Hi. Hi, Daisy. Toma agua. Yeah, ¿quieres agua? Oh, it's hot.
What that too, bro? This is vlog.
The vlog is real right now.
What's up?
I made it pop.
How do you think that true? Oh, dude, your neighbor came out.
We just finished eating tacos. We went to a taco place like we said we were gonna go. And
We didn't record the food, huh?
Nah, we didn't record food. It's cause, man, I need a smaller camera, and sooner or later my vlogs are gonna be better and more edited, better, you know. This is just the starting point, but yeah, it's a good start.
Should I roll up my window then? Cause they're about to come back.
And I just keep mine down.
Yeah, keep it.
And yeah, guys, the battery's about to die, so if it cuts off here.
Huh? Dude, I came across a Pikachu. It was 365 and I caught him. Fucking ran away.
What the hell is
And low key, I was like fucking sad and shit.
Same one as yours.
You what?
Same one as
Shorter
yours.
than mine, bro.
You know how to
Hey,
go switch it?
hey, you got a freshman.
Times Square
You got a
at 12
freshman.
o'clock.
Your link? Oh! So we're about to go to the pool.
I lost their key.
Right now with the cousins.
Key.
Squad. The whole squad. The whole squad. That's what we're about to do. Oh shit. Sunscreen? Yeah.
Alright. So, what's up, guys? We're going to the pool right now.
Yeah,
With Jesus.
Is the focus good?
Yeah, it's focus good. We're behind the whole mob.
Yeah, so we're about to go to the pool right now.
Yeah, there it is.
Wait, where are they going?
Where are they going, dog?
I don't know. Where are they going?
They're going the wrong way.
Damn. Where you guys going?
We lost, I think.
I wanna go like pretty little kids and shit. You look weird. See?
We're at the pool. Hey, so where's that one at? Is there one?
Oh,
That's
there's
it.
3 more people right there.
Oh, there is one. Coming
It's kind of
through.
different, huh? Not that bad. Hey, you guys want to go check? Just go check. Yeah. You can stop it now.
Yes, that's one.
He did it. Fabulous.
You do it, you do it now.
Go, who's next? It's salty. Salty? Are you tasting it?
Ah, no, I mean. Oh shit, this is fucking funny. What's up, Jesus?
Nah, we're gonna. Go, Lalo.
No mames, sí, la
You get to try to hold on to the railing, I'll help you. You are really in
Go,
it.
Flo, let's go, Juan. 2, 3. 5 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters, 0 meters.
We should play chicken fight too.
That's a polo.
Let's do a chicken fight. Yo, I just got off the pool with the guys. We're all exhausted. We're all exhausted and tired. So we'll see what comes up next. We still kicking it, Jaggs?
Yeah.
For sure. Let's get ready. Damn. Just got a bag. Right here, damn, this guy. We back at it again. Come on, Victor.
Hey, what's up, homie?
I feel like I'm someone else's boogers in my nose.
What's good? What's good?
Hey, where your turtle at?
What's good? So guys, some 50% of the squad just left, and we're just chilling, relaxing. That song is dope. All these motherfuckers running around. Yeah. But I'm about to eat. I just ate a little bit already. But yeah, this shit bomb. Say hi to the camera. Yo, outfit of the day right here. Ooh. Yeah. Just take it off. Nah, I shouldn't take it off. Just look at you.
Drive me home.
Yo, and she's driving home. So we're over here playing some little beer pong.
So my turn?
Handle.
You went twice. You went twice.
That's fine. I went twice already, dude. That's their turn.
Go.
You're busy. You see?
Putting that.
Go, Bree. I got you on camera too.
Song.
My turn, my turn.
Go. So what you got? Say what you got.
I got the camera too. Alright. That sucks.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, guys? So, I forgot to end the vlog because we started drinking and you get a little alcohol, you know, gets you a little tipsy, so you start like, I don't know, not vlogging as much, and yeah. So, good night, guys, or good day, good morning, wherever, whatever time you're watching this. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.